So today we are putting up our Christmas decorations, decorating our shelves, and getting everything right for Christmas! Boom!
Yes. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
I know how to do it, Mom. Hey, little, it's your girl Tashima, and today we're back with another video. And if you're new here,
I got one.
And if you're new here, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, hit that follow button, and like the video.
You want to do for Smurf right here?
And so what are we doing today?
We're putting up our Christmas tree. Our Grinch Christmas tree.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So this year we're doing a Grinch tree. So I ordered this, whatever you call this mat, from Amazon. Tree skirt. So I ordered this tree skirt from Amazon. Oh, it's so cute. Stink, stank, stunk. Ordered that from Amazon. And I got these little picks to put in the tree. And then I have the Grinch that's gonna go in the tree as well. His head, his arms, and his legs. And then I ordered these little Grinch ornaments. So, I mean, there's just little paper ornaments, but they're still cute. Oh, I had it backwards. But they're still cute. Look at this. It matches the thing. Little, the little baby. Mount Crumpet. Aw. Whoville. Whobilation. Grinch Street, Whoville Lane, Grinch Drive. So those little signs. And then it's the Grinch. Is it Cindy Lou? Cindy Lou Who? But yeah, so I ordered these off Amazon. Everything was super cheap too. I'll put it in the comment section below. But not in the comment section. I'll put it in the description box below. But yeah, everything was real cheap. But I'm gonna let the kids go ahead and put the little strings on here and stick everything on the tree. Ooh, and I got these bows to go on the tree. And this is just the Grinch stuff that's going on there. We do have like our own, you know, traditional ornaments that we put on there every year. Like our little personalized stuff. So we're gonna put those on the tree too. I brought this garland to go on there. I got this from Amazon as well. And then I have some little fake Christmas trees and just some other little stuff. But yeah, just watch us decorate for Christmas. Y'all in camera.
This one up. I got the Grinch. No, Daddy knows how to make it or not. Can I do it like this? Mama, I did it like this. That's when you do it all over. Hey! They crazy. They crazy. Yourself. A merry little Christmas. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow.